How to fix: you need to verify your account in order to perform this action in Discord. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Discord application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now tap on the U option at the bottom and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen, and further under the account settings tab, tap on the account option. Here, as you can see, it is showing please check your email to verify your account and keep your account username. So tap on the verify option you see there and then tap on the resend email option. Further, go ahead and open your mailbox with the account that you have connected Discord to, and then tap on the mail sent by Discord. Now, tap on the verify email option you see there and further select the platform that you want to open it in. You can choose Chrome, Google, or Safari. Tap on your preferred option and then go ahead and tap on the verify email option. And with this, your account will be verified, as you can see here on my Discord. So, this is how you can verify your account in order to perform this action error. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.